Hi, thank you so much for coming back. Today's episode is going to focus on SmashBox Cat Eye Kit. On the back, they show you in 3 steps how to utilize the kit. I've never done a cat eye. So in this set, it comes with a travel size always on liquid liner and a travel size fan mascara. They've wrapped it in tissue paper. This is going all the way wrong. Alright, it's going all the way wrong. So maybe the stretch does not work.
I'm seeing that. I need to bridge the gap.
So I felt like with this short hair that I needed super long lashes. So I got these super long lashes from Amazon and they're from Hello Beauty. Okay. So the trick that I use, I was starting to do it wrong. Alright, I use my special eyelash clippers, put the eyelashes on them. Take a toothpick, rub some hair glue along the line. Try not to get it in the hair. Alright, once I've done that, you place them and then you use the tool to guide. It's the corners that I tend to have trouble with. Really, Priscilla? To hold the corner in place. What I like about this tool is that I always would get freaked out with tweezers coming close to my eye, but this tool is plastic. Now, if you run into the problem that I just had, or apparently I didn't put enough glue at the end, rub some more glue at the end. Take the tool, move the lash back to where you want it. Okay, so that's all good. Take a little concealer, cover up that glue that you didn't mean to put down. Okay, so the final part is some mascara. So also within the tissue paper, they've given us some mascara because these lashes are crazy long to make my eyes look more amazing. I just want to use the mascara in an upwards motion. So let me get my mirror and I'm just catching the front upwards motion. Oh goodness. This is too fun. All right, same thing with the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and go under, brush up. Oh, kind of up. Do I want them to lay low? Maybe a little. Let's see, I am giving lashes for days. Let me take a minute. Just lashes for days. Alright, I have to admit, I feel kind of like a drag queen. Just kind of. Because they go for it without apologies. And I want to learn to go for it without, like, do my glamour shop. No apologies, like previous. Alright, thanks so much for coming to my channel. This episode again was all about the Cat Eye by SmashBox. I can't say that I fully loved it. It created a smudge for me. So I expected a fuller line. So the lines weren't clean. I don't know if it's because I have a heavy hand. I did appreciate that you didn't have to keep re-dipping, that it's just built into the brush. However, I just wish that the liquid came out in a cleaner line, you know? But again, I don't know if that's my heavy hand or if that's the brush that goes with the product. I do hope you enjoyed this episode. I do hope you are playing around with makeup like I did. I do hope you love the lashes that I served up or tried to serve up. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.